How to add Visa gift card to Cash App. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how I can add Visa gift card into your Cash App account. So to start, open up Cash application and then make sure that you're logged in. Now Visa gift card is actually part of the payment method that you can manually add onto your Cash App account so that you can use any kinds of balance or rewards that you have on that gift card. So once you successfully log in, all I have to do is you can either go into card or pay and request. Now, either of those two options could actually work. So say for example, you go into pay and request. You just want to go ahead and go into payment methods and then from there just simply choose on card. Once you selected card, there's going to be a lot of options like prepaid Visa, gift cards, or transfer options. Now for prepaid cards, you can actually also use that depending on what type of Visa gift card that you have. You could also get straight into the gift card field if Visa is available on one of those options. Follow on-screen prompts, input your Visa gift card number for you to successfully use them. And that is how you add Visa gift card to Cash App.